We all have preconceived notions about cars and their reliability, but according to latest data from Business Insider, you may be wrong. So here's a list of least reliable cars that you must avoid in 2023. At number 10, we have Jeep Wrangler with a reliability score of just 24 out of 100. Some owners and critics point to issues such as electrical problems, transmission issues, and persistent leaks. Electrical gremlins have been a recurring concern, with reports of electrical issues ranging from malfunctioning sensors to more complex wiring problems. Leakages, particularly around the roofs and doors, have been another common complaint. Some Wrangler owners have reported water leaks during rain or car washes, leading to concerns about interior damage and potential long-term issues like rust. Though Jeep has made improvements over the years, these problems have persisted in many other instances. At number 9, we have Mercedes-Benz GLE with a reliability score of 23 out of 100. Common concerns include electronic glitches and complex systems that may require specialized attention. Many owners point towards air suspension as it's known for its failure. At number 8, we have Jeep Gladiator with a reliability score of 21 out of 100. Transmission problems have also been a source of concern for some Gladiator owners. Reports of rough shifting, transmission failures, and other related issues have raised questions about the overall durability of the vehicle's drivetrain. Transmission repairs can be costly and time-consuming, leading to dissatisfaction among owners who expect their reliability from a brand like Jeep. In addition to these most significant problems, some owners have reported minor build quality issues. These can include like loose trim pieces, rattles, and other annoyances which may not affect the entire vehicle but can contribute to less than ideal ownership experience. At number 7, Tesla Model S. Electronic malfunctions have been a point of contention, with reports of touchscreen failures and other software-related issues. These problems may be frustrating for owners as they may impact various aspects of vehicle's functionality. However, it's essential to note that Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates to address software issues, showcasing the company's commitment to resolving problems. Another aspect of the Model S's reliability is related to its build quality. Some owners have reported problems with door handles, interior trim, and other components. While these issues may not compromise the car's safety or drivability, they contribute to the perception of build quality, especially in comparison to more established luxury manufacturers. At number 6, we have Range Rover. Range Rovers have unfortunately gathered a reputation for their reliability issues over the years. One of the key factors contributing to the perception is the complexity of the vehicle systems. The intricate blend of advanced technology, luxurious features, and off-road capabilities have often led to potential failures. Electrical problems have been a recurring issue with Range Rovers. The extensive use of electronic components for various functions, from entertainment systems to advanced driver assistant features, can result in malfunctions. These issues can be frustrating for owners and expensive repairs, as pinpointing the root cause of these electrical problems often requires specialized diagnostic equipment. Another aspect of this impact as Range Rover's reliability is the air suspension system. At number 5, we have Jaguar F-Pace. While it's true that some owners have reported reliability issues with the Jaguar F-Pace, a subset of owners encountered problems which affect the drivetrain of the vehicle. Some common concerns include electrical issues, infotainment system glitches, and occasional mechanical issues. Despite these reports, it's important to consider that not every F-Pace owner faces such problems. At number 4, we have the BMW X6. In terms of mechanical reliability, some X6 owners have reported issues with the components like air suspension, which may be prone to failure over time. This is a notable concern, especially given the X's emphasis on delivering a comfortable and engaging driving experience. Repairing or replacing such components can lead to substantial costs, potentially causing frustration among owners. At number 3, we have the Lincoln Aviator with a reliability score of just 8. Common problems areas include everything from powertrain to interior quality. When the scores were tabulated, the Lincoln Aviator finished with just 8 out of 100. The main trouble spots being first-in-class features with electronics, climate system, steering, suspension, power equipment, body hardware, drive system, paint, trim, noises, and leaks. The Aviator ranked behind every other vehicle in its class. At number 2, the Hyundai Kona Electric with a reliability score of just 5 out of 100. While the Hyundai Kona Electric has gained popularity for its eco-friendly design and efficient electric capabilities, some users have reported concerns about its reliability. Issues range from software glitches affecting the infotainment system to occasional battery-related problems. Additionally, there have been isolated reports of battery fires in Kona electric vehicles, leading to recall by Hyundai. While such incidents have rarely occurred, they contribute to the perception of unreliability and safety concerns among potential buyers. At number 1, we have the Ford F-150 Hybrid with a reliability score of just 4 out of 100. Many reported concerns revolving around the truck's electronic components. Some drivers have raised issues relating to the hybrid truck's performance, citing instances with glitches and malfunctions. These problems can range from minor inconveniences such as display errors to more significant issues affecting the hybrid drivetrain. However, it's important to note that the frequency and severity of these problems can vary very much. Additionally, the F-150's hybrid unique powertrain introduces an additional layer of complexity. While hybrid technology aims to enhance fuel efficiency, it also introduces components like electric motors and batteries that can cause problems.